Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today video will be about avocado hair mask. The ingredients are avocado. We're going to take one ripe avocado. The benefit of avocado is it nourishes hair, it strengthens hair, it revitalizes hair. We're going to use grapeseed oil here. You can use any other oil, but grapeseed oil strengthens the hair. It's non-greasy, it's a dandruff reliever. It has many benefits. Now we're going to take milk as a binding agent, as milk is a good conditioner. It helps cleansing your scalp. Now you're gonna take curd or egg. If you don't want to use egg, you can use curd. Egg has so many benefits. You can see the benefits of egg here. Now we are going to make mask in a blender. So I am just taking out my avocado with the help of spoon. You can make mask according to the length of your hair, short, mid, long. There is no proportion about it. I have long hairs. I take one full avocado, so you can adjust the proportion according to your length. Now I am using egg here. Now this is the time you can use curd also if you don't want to use egg. I'm pouring in the grapeseed oil. You can use any other oil, olive oil, mustard oil, almond oil, any other oil. I'm going to mix it up, and this is how your mixture should look like without any lumps. Now we're going to start applying it all over the scalp, focusing mainly on scalp and toward the end of your hairs. So just try to focus on the scalp and toward the end of your hairs. Try to cover it as nice as possible. Focusing on the scalp and the end of the hair. Now I'm going to see if there is any place left out. I'm going to apply it, and now I'm tying my hair. So you have to be careful with the t-shirt because it is going to be a little messy. So now you're going to wait for 1 hour. The minimum should be 1 hour, max you can go for 2 hours, but not less than that. And now the final result, you can see this is my air dry hairs. I have not used any other products, and you can see the shine. So just do try this once in a week, and thank you so very much.